Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can find your Skype name. So there's a difference between a Skype name and a Skype ID. In order to find your Skype name, it's quite easy. So all you need to do is go open the Skype app over on your mobile device. Once you have done that, go to the top left corner of your screen and click on your profile picture. And then from there, what you need to do is click on Skype profile. Literally right here, you will see then your Skype name, and it will basically give you your actual Skype ID, which is this random string of letters which you can simply copy. However, if someone actually asks for your Skype name, like how you're being shown over on a Skype, basically on a Skype meeting, then that will literally be this massive text right here. We can see my name is that's Vexjete. That's basically my name. You can also edit it like this. But yeah, that's the difference between a Skype ID and a Skype name. So make sure to keep that in mind. But yeah, that's basically how you can find both of them. So if you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in the next YouTube tutorial video.